What's going on, gang? SDJB here with another episode of Chaleo Power, the real hustle for investing, especially if you are a beginner like most of us are in this gang. So in this episode, it's pretty special for me because we just reached the 100 subscriber on YouTube, on our YouTube channel. So that's pretty cool. To me, that means a lot. Again, we're not doing this for business, but just a hobby, trying to learn something and learn our ways. A big shout out to my team, the Chaleo Power team. LABL, Fire Crane, Eagle Eyes, Mighty Preacher, Urnest, Smoker, Edwin de Santiago, Kevin, Melissa, Weber, Alberto, you name it, guys. Find yourself a good team, right? That when you are down, you surround yourself with good people. They put you up and they help you out learning, right? And also putting out good names out there that help you make money. A quick example is that call from Tiger Zingdavai, if I'm pronouncing your name well. He called it out a zebra. And, I was super busy this week, couldn't pay much attention, so I was relying on the eyes of my team. I took the call and booyah, made, great money over there. So a few small account where we focus on percentage. So I'm a big believer on strategy that gives you good percentage because money comes later. I mean, if you have a big account, it's easier. Once you perfect the strategy with the big percent. So $300 right there real quick. That was pretty nice. And same with other calls. I was super busy this week, as I said, and my team was calling them out. I was taking them and made great money. As you can see, our week, Friday we finished with a 16% increase in the account. Last week I was below 5,000, and then for the week, let's see, this thing lets me draw. Anyways, for the week we finished strong at 22%, guys, and that's again $6,200. So again, small account, great way to finish the week. So let's keep it strong. And let's see if I can keep this video short again. So that was a day, that was a week. Stay tuned for more. The idea is to keep putting out all these names that are yielding us 17% and, HEAR, what was the other one? SIR was a lagger. Boot is a lagger of the team. I still like it though, so I'm going to keep it close. But then we have many of the other guys. Again, I don't have them all here, but MU was a big winner. I should have them around here. APTO was a big winner. 13%. We made crazy money. Sometimes I don't take pictures of all of them. I try to take pictures of my losses and winnings. So I learned something from it and evaluate myself as like a diary type of deal. So look at that. ENTA, that was a swing homer call, and boom, we made great money there. So, some people may see this and we get a lot of haters. You can't please everyone as us bragging. But now we're learning from it, and we make crazy mistakes. We try to stick to our risk management. But when we hit the suckers, and we make money, hell yeah, we celebrate. We got to feel better. We have to feel good about ourselves, and at the same time, do a little bragging right. Why not? I show you my losses, and I will talk about my losses the same way I talk about my winnings. So, you haters out there, you know your names. Don't hate. Join your gang. You're welcome to join the gang. And evaluate these names for us. So that being said, too much of a ranting. Probably I lost half of the audience by now, but those of you who stuck around, we have swing homework coming up for this week. This coming 2 weeks, I like a lot of them, so I'm gonna just go over real quick. KL, it's a nice trend. It broke the trend with a hammer candle on the weekly, and as you can see, a nice green candle on the daily. So keep an eye on that sucker. I have Zebra, but Zebra I sold on Friday, secure my profit, but I will keep an eye on it. It looked pretty strong. It closed strong. So I'll keep an eye on it this week, as it is a great company. I had to respect 100%, so I took it out. XPO, I really like the flag that this thing is forming. As you can see, it's a nice flag, nice channel. Pull, then you have the flag. So once it breaks that 111.46, you got to watch out, guys. The next one that we have is FedEx with an ascending triangle on the daily and the weekly, actually. So it looks pretty nice. As you can see, it broke the resistance here. So it broke resistance. It popped first, then gave it back, but then it went back up. So that is, to me, that's pretty strong. So let's keep an eye on that. The next one I have is ONCE, as we can see from the chart. Ascending triangle there, rinse, repeat. We know the drill with ascending triangles. They start coiling up, getting tighter, until sellers can't with the bulls, with the buyers, and buyers take basically take control, and boom. So eyes with this resistance here. One thing that I like from this pattern, guys, is that it is at this point right here. So if you see that yellow line? Yellow line is money, right? Every time it boom, bounces. So now she is right here. So I really like this because I feel more comfortable buying here right away. Or let's say Monday usually we have a little dip. So let's say it dips a little bit. I buy it. If it holds, if I see that it breaks the trend, you're free to get the heck out of there and let it do its thing. But from support, I mean, all the sellers are almost out. So the odds for her for it to go up, it's higher than the odds from to go down. So keep an eye on this. I really like this. I have that. Yep. So that's ONS. Congratulations, YouTube. 100 people subscribed. Heck yeah. All right. All right. I have a lot, so I'm gonna speed it up. We have WRD getting extremely tight right there. As you can see from the ascending triangle, she is at a critical point, right? Look how nice that tightness is. So to me, this is going to pop soon. I am already in. I am already in. I bought some last week. So that was pretty neat, but let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. CERS, guys. What do we have? 9 minutes already. God damn it. It's a nice bull flag. Beautiful coiling. Again, by the break or by the flag. If you want to wait for it to break by the X, as I put it over there. Once it breaks this X, you buy. Check the volume, check the RSI. Those are indicators that I usually like to use. And then another one, the next one we have is SUPN. This sucker, I mean, it's a great company long term. As I mentioned previously, I do have options here and they expire Friday. I do not like to let them run up to the last day, so I try to, by Wednesday, I like to get my money right away. So again, as you can see here, we have a line of support on the weekly. This is the 10 SMA. So the first line of support is this guy, which on the daily, if you look at the daily, it's a double bottom. So on the daily double bottom, that's the first support over here. So if it doesn't stop over here, I expect it to go down to the 10 SMA. So let's keep an eye on that guy. The next one we have is LABL, LABL. Very, very nice little pattern over here. It's they had a nice EPS and revenue beat. So when I do my research, I look for, financials, patterns, and if that combination is good, you get a good chart, and at the same time you get a good financials, good earnings. Look what happened to ANF. I mean, good financials, good earnings. It dropped a little bit, and now it's skyrocketed again. So this is one that I like, and I'll keep an eye on it. I'll keep her on my stalker list. Again, I usually buy either resistance break, or I like to buy. This is a buy to me right now. Like, I would buy it. My risk tolerance allows it. And since it's close to this support line, if I see it breaks the trend, again, I will sell. But most likely this is getting coiled and it will break because it had good numbers, good financials. So big toots are buying at this point. Also on the list is AKAM, ascending triangle with a kind of a cup. I would say you can call it cup and handle. I see many different patterns in this one, so I like it. Keep an eye on it. Flag here. PGR, this sucker is taking her sweet time. I am in. I've been writing this for forever. I think I bought options 3 weeks before, and now I believe I have to double check they expire on the 15th, so Friday. But as you can see here, it's another one that is coiling the bejesus out of it. And let's see if soon we break free. TGA, I usually don't do oil or energy, but this little guy looks interesting. Another thing I want to mention, guys, is the swing homework. In the videos, I try to put the ones that I like kind of the most, but sometimes I'm used to I've trained my eyes to review a lot of charts. So you should see my stalker list is probably 100 plus stocks with the similar patterns. I'm not a pro. I try to stick to simple patterns, a few patterns that I know, and I look for them and keep them around. Try to learn the financials, fundamental stuff. But what I'm trying to say is, what I don't show you in the video, follow Twitter and follow Stock Twids. I usually try to keep them updated and keep them coming with comments and things like that. So you can see if you like something and you take, you take it. I cannot take everything I call out, but for the most part, I do have a lot of positions open in my account and closed. So probably more than 10 at once. I can have more than 10. Then if they're making money, I take them out. I think I put a picture before in one of my posts of all the pigs that I had open. They were more than 15, and probably 2 of them only were red. So heck yeah, show me the money. That's it. That's what I have for now. Did I review OKTA? Yep. This guy made us great money. We caught her on the first breakout, and it's up a lot since. But now she is back down to a buy point. So let's keep an eye on it. They had great, was it great, or they had good earnings, and you know the saying, basically old resistance becomes new support. So in my mind is, people selling before earnings, then they hit good earnings, popped, people taking profit, and then look at this nice candle with volume over here. So again, good earnings, same like ANF, good earnings, and then they went down to kind of go back up. So I really like this guy around this area. So let's keep it close. All right, gang. It's been 16 minutes. My God, as much as I try to make this video short, it is what it is. I enjoy it. So whoever stuck around, thanks for watching. If you like it, subscribe, leave a comment so, we get better. As I said, find a team, guys, that you can learn something with your team. Don't chase people around. Don't just blindly take crap from anyone. Read, watch videos. There are a lot of good stuff for free on YouTube. And, join the gang. So subscribe, like it, and stay green. Let's make some money this week, all right? Peace out.